Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Friday launched a sharp political attack on the Left Democratic Front, LDF, and the United Democratic Front, UDF, during a massive rally in Thiruvananthapuram, declaring that change is inevitable in Kerala. Addressing the gathering, the Prime Minister said that Kerala has so far seen only two political fronts, the LDF and the UDF, but both have failed the people. He accused both alliances of corruption, misgovernance, and appeasement politics. According to PM Modi, the LDF and UDF may have different flags, but they follow the same agenda. He said governments change every 5 or 10 years in Kerala, but the system remains unchanged. The Prime Minister stressed that the state now needs a pro-people and pro-development government, which only the BJP and NDA can provide. Highlighting the BJP's growing presence in the state, PM Modi recalled the party's recent victory in the Thiruvananthapuram civic elections, calling it historic and unprecedented. He said Thiruvananthapuram had laid the foundation for the BJP's future in Kerala and showed that people are placing their trust in the party. Taking aim at the Congress, PM Modi accused it of betraying Kerala, claiming it has become more communist than Maoist and more communal than the Muslim League. He added that Kerala would benefit greatly from a double-engine government with the NDA in power at both the centre and the state. A major highlight of speech was PM Modi's strong remarks on the Sabarimala temple gold theft row, accusing LDF government of damaging the traditions of the Sabarimala temple. The Prime Minister said reports of gold theft from the temple were extremely serious, calling it Modi ki guarantee. He promised that if the BJP comes to power in Kerala, a thorough investigation will be conducted and those responsible will be sent to jail. He said the entire nation has deep faith in Lord Ayyappa and such incidents will not be tolerated. PM Modi also appealed to the people to support the BJP for the next 25 years to build a Viksit Kerala, saying Kerala needs a new politics and a new direction. During the rally, a touching moment was seen when PM Modi noticed a child holding his portrait in the crowd. He asked his security team to collect it and assured the child that he would personally write to him. The Prime Minister was in Thiruvananthapuram to inaugurate several development projects and flag off new train services, marking a strong political push by the BJP ahead of the upcoming Kerala elections.